Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by signing into the Google Play console with an account that has release permissions, because you need access to the app's key store and release controls. Once signed in, open the specific app and verify the package name and current version code. This prevents conflicts during upload. Make sure you have the AAB or APK ready and prepare concise release notes, and select whether this goes to internal, closed, or production testing so rollout settings are correct. Next, create a new release in the track you chose and upload the AAB or APK. You do this to separate staged testing from production. Then fill the release name and paste clear release notes so users and testers know what's changed. Make sure the version code increments and device targeting is correct, and review bundle settings like Play Feature Delivery. Once done, enable rollout percentage or keep closed testing depending on risk, because staged rollouts reduce user impact. Finally, review all warnings and pre-launch reports, run internal or closed tests, and when satisfied, start a staged rollout to production so you can catch issues early. Monitor Crashlytics, Android vitals, and user feedback. If metrics spike, pause the rollout and investigate. If the release is rejected or blocked, check the version code, confirm the app signing key, and read policy messages in the console to fix violations quickly. One tip: always rerun tests after making fixes.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.